everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, today guys, I'm really excited to share a Amazon favourites. Now guys, you know I've mentioned that I absolutely love Amazon Australia at the moment, and I have picked up the most beautiful blush pink accessories for my kitchen, and I thought I'd share them with you. Now everything here guys will be linked below. Now you know I love blush pink, and I was obsessed guys when I came across this beautiful kitchen set. It's a cooking set that comes in blush pink with rose gold, and it just is adorable. Now guys, these were a little smaller than I thought they'd be, but I thought they'd make an adorable addition to this little jar while using them as well. Now, I also picked up this beautiful blush pink pumpkin chopping board. Guys, this is so adorable. I've wanted a pumpkin chopping board for so long, and I just happened to come across this one. Now, it does come in other colours as well, which I'll leave linked for you down below, but it is just perfect.
Don't forget your first love. We were young and wild, we were up all night. You don't forget that summer sun 2009. We were feeling high, and I got drunk.
Now my next item is this beautiful blush pink spoon rest. It is so well made guys, and I absolutely love how it goes with the rest of the pink decor in my kitchen. Now my next item is this beautiful rose gold sponge holder. Now it's just got suction cups on the back guys that just stick to your sink, and I love how it makes that perfect addition and makes everything tidy in my sink.
Don't forget your first kiss. We were so damn high, we could touch the sky. Drunk on love, drunk on your lips, the feeling I will forever miss. And I got drunk for the first time. I thought I was cool. I thought I looked smooth.
Now you know that I've been really loving buffalo check as well, and I love how it goes so beautifully with blush pink. Here I have a dish drying mat in the buffalo check, and it is so adorable and the perfect size for my kitchen. Now another thing that I picked up are these gorgeous buffalo check blush pink tea towels. Now they come in a pack of 3 guys, and they are so adorable, and as I said, I think they go so perfect with the black and white buffalo check. Next up would have to be one of my favourite things of all time, guys. These adorable blush pink and white oven mitts. I am so obsessed with these, guys. I love them so much. About a year ago, I watched a video from Miss Liz Hart and she had these in her kitchen and I was like, oh, they are so adorable, but I didn't think here in Australia I could get my hands on them. I only just discovered that we had Amazon Australia last year, guys. Can you believe that? And I was so excited when I came across in my recommendations on these gloves. Next up is this adorable kitchen cleaning set. Now it comes as a 6-piece set, guys, and I love it. I love this particular pink. Sometimes you do order things online and it looks this really light baby pink, but when things turn up, I have been disappointed in the past where the pink is just not right. But every single item I'm showing you here is the exact pink that you're seeing on this screen. Now, a couple of the items you can actually fill with soap, which you just pour in the bottom, and it's got a little attachment at the middle. They also included 2 mini dish brushes, and this one is so cute. It's so adorable. I'm planning on hanging it just off my tap. And in the second one, it's actually a soap dispensing dish brush where you just take off the top, guys, and you add your soap inside. You press a little button at the top and it disperses the soap into what you're cleaning. Another one of my favourite finds would definitely be my kitchen mat. Now, Amazon has the most adorable kitchen mats, guys. I could sit on there for hours searching different mats for my home, but I absolutely loved this buffalo check one. It is such good quality. I also picked up these beautiful buffalo check chargers. Now they come in a pack of 6 and I absolutely love adding my blush pink plates to these. I think this looks so pretty.
Don't know anybody that could compare to you. The way you're always smiling, the way you light up a room. I couldn't live without you, not even.
Now, also like to style them, guys, in my kitchen hutch. I really love doing the 3 layers of different size plates with different colours.
Yeah, I'm flying over the clouds, and I'm not coming down. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive.
Now the next couple of items, guys, are not kitchen related, but they are for my car. How adorable are these leopard print coasters? And you know your girl Chelle absolutely loves chandeliers, and I was so excited when I found a mini chandelier for my car.
Just can't see how.
Does this just not spell my name?
Every time we touch, I feel at home.
So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. It really helps the channel. Share the video as many times as you can. And I'd love most of all, guys, if you would hit that subscribe button to become a part of Chelles Glam Home family. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.